Welcome to the video on understanding how to eat to numbers and learning why it's important to make sure you eat all of your numbers. So I would have gone through in your orientation what your basic metabolic rate is, which is this center line here. Your basic metabolic rate is the minimum amount of fuel or calories or food your body needs just to do what it's doing normally. So we're using round numbers today. So in this demonstration here, 1,000 calories is the amount of calories that someone needs to consume to not add any weight on and not lose any weight. Okay, so with the program that you're on now, we're going to drop you down about anywhere up to 20% off your basic metabolic rate, which means that your bare minimum that you can eat will be whatever your coach sets for you, but in this demonstration it's 800 calories. Now, the difference between what we set you, which is no more than 20%, and your basic metabolic rate is what puts us into the safe weight loss zone. Okay, so when you have a goal of eating 800 calories a day, if you eat less than your 800 calories, it puts you underneath the line for your safe weight loss zone. So it's important to make sure you hit your numbers every day. If we're looking for putting weight on, then obviously we need to do the right amount of exercise, and we would eat 20% more, okay, or 200 calories a day more, and that would put us into the safe weight gain. The easiest way to understand and start making sure that you get your numbers in every day is imagining this like the engine in your car. If this is your basic fuel oil level in your engine, okay, at the right amount of oil, your engine operates perfectly. Okay, if you reduce the amount of oil, it's got a tolerance on what level of oil it can operate at. But if you go below that E on your dipstick, okay, that's when damage starts happening. Your body is exactly the same. It has a tolerance on the deficit of calories it needs per day to operate safely. If you go below the 20% that we've set for you, you're operating in the danger zone. The same thing for weight gain. It has a tolerance on how much extra calories it can consume and utilize for weight gain. You go over that, just like your dipstick, it starts overflowing. We start putting on weight. So when you get your numbers and you start using the software, make sure you don't try and come in under the calories or the numbers that are set for you, because that'll put you straight into this zone here. There is a little tolerance there, as you can see, anywhere between 800 and 1,000 calories. You'll have this little zone here where you can fluctuate in and out. So you can overeat a few days, maybe 100 calories, an extra half a meal or something, and it'll still keep you in the safe weight loss zone. What you can't do is you can't undereat, okay, and operate in this zone here.